Hey, this is Mike, and today I'd like to talk about X1. This stock trades on the NASDAQ on the symbol XONE. This stock was up almost 11%, up to 44.14. In the pre-market, it's up another 3%, up to 45.50. Look over the 1-month chart. X1 has been doing really well. It did spike up to about $64, $65 a share before moving back down, but it looks like it's starting to move its way back up again. So if you follow my channel, you know I really like to talk about 3D printing stocks such as Nano Dimensions and 3D Systems. X1 is definitely another stock you should take a look at. I started buying X1 during the beginning of the year because I want to have sort of a basket of 3D printing stocks, because I do believe at least one of the companies, either Nano Dimensions or 3D Systems, will become like the industry leader and be worth 50 or 60 billion dollars a share. But I definitely think X1 has the possibility to be a $10 billion company or be a 10x over the next decade. Right now, the company's valued at $920 million. So it's definitely a small company that has a potential to give you a lot of upside gains over the next couple of years. So if you're into 3D printing, if you believe in 3D printing, I would say your core holding should be Nano Dimensions and 3D Systems, but then you could throw in X1 as sort of a more speculative investment on 3D printing technology. So X1 creates these huge industrial printers, metal 3D printers, sand 3D printers, really huge machines that they're probably not going to have a lot of competition, because you're not going to have a lot of companies create industrial size 3D printers of these size. Now, it means that they don't have as big a potential customer base as other 3D printing companies. However, the companies that will use them will probably continue to use their products, because, like I said, once you put these machines in, you're not going to switch them out every couple of years, and chances are you just want to upgrade these machines or buy a new product from the same company. So that gives X1 an opportunity to have lots of great long-term clients and lots of great long-term cash flow. Right now, the 3D printing stocks have been pretty erratic over the past month. However, I do think they'll settle down and continue to move higher. I do think that the 3D printing stocks, because they were so hot over the past couple of months, maybe some of those short-term investors have been moving into cryptocurrencies, altcoins, and bitcoins. Investing, so that kind of takes the air out of the 3D printing stocks. However, I do think over the long term, owning 3D printing stocks will be really excellent for your portfolio. So go ahead and check out Nano Dimensions, check out 3D Systems, but also check out X1. Stock has been doing really well, and I think after this pullback here, you got a nice pullback opportunity here. The stock, I do think, will continue to move higher for the rest of the year. A price target, I would probably put its 52-week high is at 66. I could definitely think it could break through its 52-week high and make a run at $75 a share before the end of the year. Okay, so definitely check out X1. Trades on the NASDAQ on symbol XONE. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to leave a like and go ahead and subscribe and turn on notifications. I do multiple daily updates on stocks, options, and stock trading strategies. Thanks a lot.